Good morning, students. Today we will be seeing the histology of ileum. So in the previous videos we had seen histology of duodenum and jejunum. So this slide belongs to ileum. So this is the actual photo micrograph of the ileum. So what are you seeing in the ileum? The first thing what you have to see is the finger like projections, that is the villi. So villi are there, okay, and you can see the lining epithelium is simple columnar epithelium, and you can see plenty of goblet cells, more than what you saw in duodenum and jejunum. So here you see finger like projections, that is the villi. The lining epithelium is simple columnar epithelium with plenty of goblet cells. Then you see the supportive lamina propria, which forms the central core of the villi. Then you see the muscularis mucosae, and then you see in the submucosa you see a very interesting feature, that is large aggregation of lymphatic follicles, which is known as Peyer's patch. So Peyer's patch is present in ileum. So Peyer's patch is absent in duodenum, it is absent in jejunum, but present in ileum. So what are the important identification points of ileum? Finger like projections, that is the villi. The lining epithelium is simple columnar epithelium. You are seeing plenty of goblet cells, and then most importantly in the submucosa you see the Peyer's patches, which are nothing but large aggregations of lymphatic follicles. So if you see villi and Peyer's patch, you can conclusively say that this is a slide of ileum. So how do you differentiate ileum from duodenum and jejunum? Now in ileum you have the Peyer's patches in the submucosa, whereas in duodenum there is no Peyer's patches, but you see the Brunner's glands, which are mucus secreting glands. And then in jejunum you see that neither Peyer's patch is present and neither the Brunner's glands are present. Okay, so this is how you identify and differentiate between jejunum, ileum and duodenum. So this is the slide about the ileum. We have discussed all the important identifying points. Remember, here only mucosa and submucosa is seen. The inner circular, outer longitudinal muscle layer and also the serosa is not seen in this slide, but this much is enough for you to identify this slide as ileum. So thank you.